What's going on, guys? So I accidentally deleted the videos. I was removing my older rear spoiler, and I sold it, and then I wanted to get a new one because it covers the factory holes, like all of them in the bottom. So yeah, so keep watching the video. I actually installed it, and it looks really nice. I really love this spoiler. I got rid of the other one, the DUCKBILL spoiler. That's how it looks from the side. I really like this one. This is nice. Covers the factory holes. That's what I was concerned about a lot. That's all. Alright, so we managed to take the side off and then realigned it, flushed it on the sides. It fits perfect. It fits, it covers all the factory holes over here. So I really love the spoiler. New one, really nice. This off. Let's take the 3M out. And then just press it down. Hold it for about a minute, 30 seconds, whatever. So it's fixed. I'm gonna do that after I finish this video. And then feel the bottom part. This way you could just press right on it. And press it down as well on the top so it sticks good. But yeah, take a look on the back, that's how it looks. Bottom here, the bottom, top, the side view. Perfect.